Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
When the son of the Brahman Aśvatthāma saw that his horses were tired, he considered that there was no alternative for protection outside of his using the ultimate weapon, the brahmastra nuclear weapon. In the ultimate issue only, when there is no alternative, the nuclear weapon called the brahmastra is applied. The word Vijatmaja is significant here, because Aśvatthāma, although the son of Dronakarya, was not exactly a qualified Brahman. The most intelligent man is called a Brahman, and it is not a hereditary title. Aśvatthāma was also formerly called the Brahmbandhu, or the friend of a Brahman. Being a friend of a Brahman does not mean that one is a Brahman by qualification. A friend or son of a Brahman, when fully qualified, can be called a Brahman and not otherwise. Since Aśvatthāma's decision is immature, he is purposely called herein the son of a Brahman.